As part of the Denbighshire County Council corporate plan going forward, we have plans to build an extra 1,000 homes in Denbighshire by 2022. We also have an ambitious project that is on the go at the moment to provide 170 council houses built by Denbighshire County Council. We also have a mechanism that's assisting young people to enable them to get onto the housing ladder and to actually purchase houses. Along with that, there's also another project running underneath all those aspects where Denbighshire are looking to bring back 500 empty properties onto the market that can be filled by residents of Denbighshire.
Denbishire's developing a lot of extra care at the moment. It already has a significant amount, but it's developing more over the next few years. The model of extra care housing works really well as it allows people to live independently within their own homes and also to receive as much care and support as they need as their care needs develop.